Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Kantari. I am going to talk about the topic is the greedy dog. Once upon a time in a small village there lived a hungry dog who wandered the street in search of food. He had not eaten for days and was desperate to find something to fill his empty stomach. After searching tirelessly through the marketplace, he finally came across a butcher shop. There near the back door lay a large juicy bone. Without a second thought, the dog punched off the bone, grabbed it in his mouth and trotted off. He was thrilled with his find and as walked away. How delicious the bone would taste once he found a quiet place to enjoy it. The dog wanted to enjoy his prize alone, so he headed out of the village and into the woods. On his way, he came to a small stream with a narrow bridge. As he crossed the bridge, he happened to glance down at the water below. To his surprise, he saw what to be another dog in the water, holding an equally big bone in its mouth. Then the dog, not realizing that it was his own reflection, through that there was another dog with a bigger, better bone. Greedy and envious, he thought to himself, I must have that bone too, then I will have two bones to enjoy without considering the dog opened mouth to bark at the other dog in the water. Then, as soon as opened his mouth, the bone he had been carrying dropped into the stream. Below, the swift current carried the bone away, and no matter how hard the dog tried, he could not retrieve it. He was left standing on the bridge, watching help, helplessly as the bone floated out the side. The dog's greed had cost him. If only he had been satisfied with the bone he would have enjoyed a hearty meal, but because he wanted more, he ended up with nothing. Then the dog walked away, having learning a hard lesson about the dangers of greed. Moral of the story: be content with what you have, for greed often leads to loss. Thank you.